right, who got stuck in the TOS ThinkOrSwim system failure? I thought it was me, and I was stuck in a trade. It was kind of glitchy, and I was getting stuck in a few trades and then I would get out, but for a loss, even though my P&L was green and I'd hit, you know, sell the bid, and it was pre-market, so I had to sell the bid or buy the ask, and it would just sit there. And then I'd get out of it and click it again. Well, I was losing in pre-market, and I thought, why? I've already said I'm giving up those pre-market runners, but there was a few that I just saw great setups, so I thought, well, I'll just do it. And then I said, forget it, it's me, stop trading those. Well, then market opened and I get stuck in Amazon and I can't even sell. First I used limit orders, and I could see my orders sitting there and it would just skip me. And I could see my P&L was going down, but not by very much. So my heart wasn't racing. I didn't care. I thought, whatever. I was trading low share size because I knew I was already red. Well, then I can't get out of the trade and I think, oh, why don't I just use a market order? It won't give me the price I want, but I can at least get out. Well, then my market order sat there. That's when I knew something was wrong. So I go over to a couple of Discord groups to see other people that trade large caps, how they're doing, and they're stuck. And then Day Trading for Success, I know, does lives in the morning. So I turned on his live and he's stuck and he doesn't know why he's stuck. And he's red on the day at that point, and he doesn't understand why. Well, now I get it. I'm not even going to call ThinkOrSwim at this point. So now my mouse stops working. It had kind of been not working all morning. Well, I didn't realize after Googling this and diving down this massive rabbit hole of pages and pages and 3 hours of diving in with Gemini, I had tried, look at all these. I was trying everything to get out of trades. I thought it was me. So what ended up happening is I ended the day about $16. I have no ability to not only not use my mouse, but I can't use my trackpad. It's failing on me. So I've just stopped trading. HPE earnings, Hewlett Packard earnings is in 15 minutes. I would love to trade it and I can't. I don't trust this. And it's going to take me hours, probably early in the morning, to sit down and try to get this fixed. I'm hoping that maybe someone out there, one of you knows how I can fix this. I've gone through all the things that Gemini said. I mean, it was a massive thing to reboot everything and reconnect monitors and reconfigure them. Going into TOS, and I actually went into settings in the cogwheel when you turn it on, and I reset the memory, I think it is, something on that front thing. I have tried everything, so I'm going to keep diving. But if you figure it out, let me know in the comments. I'm not going to show anything because I can't. And then there's no point. I just kept clicking, trying to figure out what was wrong. $16 green, whatever. The whole day, it's like, what? I don't even know if I had quite a few trades that were actually really, really nicely green, which helped me because I lost 160 on Amazon. But I was so far up on other things. But I don't know if I traded well, if those green trades were because I got a little stuck and I didn't get out in time. So I'm not even considering today skill by any means, even the ones that I was green. So you guys, it's going to be really short. This was all I wanted to say. I really wanted to find out if anyone had an issue with TOS. Put in the comments what you think it is, what you did. And if you're having a problem with your trackpad, if you do use a laptop, or if you're having troubles with a computer mouse or anything like that, and maybe what you did. I would love to know. Okay, I'll be back at it again tomorrow. I got to get this fixed by tomorrow because as we go through the week, there's much better earnings. All right, you guys, hope you did not go red today. Hope you got out of any trades if you're using ThinkOrSwim. All right, talk to you tomorrow.